So we're here at McClellan Ranch Preserve, and an American crow just flew over my head. So that's a good sign that we're going to be seeing a lot of birds today. Let's see what we can find. Creek Trail. So far, we got awesome pictures of a red-shouldered hawk, a dark-eyed junco Oregon subspecies, and a Seller's jay. Let's see what else we can find. So I just heard two lifers, the brown creeper and the Nuttall's woodpecker. Merlin picked them up. I'm trying to see if I can find them and get some pictures for you guys. Persistence finally paid off, and I just got my lifer, Nuttall's woodpecker. Let's go! So we're at the end of the trail. There's an orchard right here. So I got some new woodpeckers. I got an acorn woodpecker, and I just got my lifer pygmy nuthatch. There were two of them. I'm guessing they were mates. So we're about to turn around right now. There were some reports of a western screech owl in a barn, so I'll try to get some photos of that for you guys. We saw an absurd amount of lifers, including a western screech owl. Any day with an owl is a good day. See you guys next time. Thanks for tuning in to the Avian Observer. See you guys next time.